Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the art and science of making websites more visible in search engines like Google. It involves a variety of strategies and techniques aimed at improving a website's ranking on search engine results pages. SEO consultants are the experts businesses turn to for help navigating this complex world. They possess a deep understanding of how search engines work and what factors influence a website's visibility. They help businesses improve their online presence and attract more potential customers. By analyzing a website's current performance, they can identify areas for improvement and implement effective strategies. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. With more people relying on the internet for their needs, businesses must ensure they are easily found online. People use search engines daily to find products, services, and information. This makes it essential for businesses to appear prominently in search results. If your website doesn't show up on the first page of search results, you're missing out on valuable traffic and potential customers. This can significantly impact your business's growth and success. That's where SEO consultants come in. They use their expertise to optimize your website, ensuring it ranks higher in search results. They have the knowledge and expertise to optimize websites for search engines. This includes keyword research, on-page optimization, and building high-quality backlinks. By making websites more visible, SEO consultants help businesses reach a wider audience. This increased visibility can lead to more website traffic and greater brand awareness. But SEO is more than just getting more website visitors. It's about creating a seamless user experience and providing valuable content that meets the needs of your audience. It's about attracting the right kind of visitors, those who are genuinely interested in what you offer. This targeted approach ensures that the traffic you receive is more likely to convert into customers. This targeted approach leads to higher conversion rates and ultimately, more business success. By investing in SEO consulting, businesses can achieve long-term growth and a competitive edge in their industry. SEO consultants offer a wide range of services to boost a website's search engine rankings. These professionals are experts in understanding the complex algorithms that search engines use to rank websites. They use this knowledge to develop strategies that can significantly improve your online presence. These services are interconnected and work together to improve a website's overall visibility. By combining various techniques, an SEO consultant can create a comprehensive plan that addresses all aspects of search engine optimization. One of the core services is keyword research. This is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy, as it helps identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your business. This involves identifying the terms potential customers use when searching for businesses like yours. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs. By targeting the right keywords, SEO consultants can help your website rank higher in relevant searches. This not only increases your visibility, but also drives more targeted traffic to your site. On-page optimization is another crucial aspect. This involves making sure that every element on your website is optimized for search engines. This focuses on improving the technical and content elements of your website. It ensures that your site is not only user-friendly but also search engine-friendly. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and content for your chosen keywords. Proper on-page optimization can make a significant difference in how search engines perceive your site. Off-page optimization is equally important. This involves activities that take place outside of your website but still impact your rankings. It involves building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. These backlinks are crucial for establishing your site's authority and credibility. These backlinks act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your website is trustworthy and valuable. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the better your site will perform in search engine rankings. Technical SEO ensures your website is technically sound and easily crawled by search engines. This is a critical component that can affect your site's overall performance. This involves optimizing website speed, mobile friendliness, site structure, and security. A technically optimized website not only ranks better but also provides a better user experience, which can lead to higher engagement and conversions. Starting an SEO consulting business requires careful planning and execution. First, define your niche and target audience. Determine the specific industries or types of businesses you want to work with. Next, develop a strong brand identity. This includes creating a professional website and social media profiles. Your website should showcase your expertise, services, and client testimonials. Pricing your services is crucial. Research industry standards and consider factors like your experience, expertise, and the scope of services offered. Offer different pricing packages to cater to various client budgets. Networking is essential for finding clients. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to businesses directly. Building relationships with other professionals can lead to referrals and collaborations. SEO consulting offers flexibility and independence, making it an attractive career choice for many. As your own boss, you can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose the clients you want to work with. This level of control over your work-life balance is something that many people dream of. The field is constantly evolving, providing opportunities for continuous learning and growth. Whether it's attending webinars, reading the latest digital marketing books, or participating in workshops, there's always something new to learn. You'll stay updated with the latest SEO trends and technologies, expanding your skill set. This constant evolution keeps the work exciting and ensures that you are always at the forefront of the industry. Helping businesses succeed online can be incredibly rewarding. Seeing the tangible results of your efforts, such as increased web traffic and higher search rankings, brings a sense of accomplishment. Seeing your clients' websites rank higher and attract more customers is a testament to your expertise. It's a clear indicator that your strategies are working and making a real difference. However, SEO consulting also presents challenges. The pressure to deliver results can be intense and the work can sometimes be stressful. The ever-changing nature of search algorithms requires constant adaptation and learning. You need to stay on top of industry news and continuously refine your strategies. What works today might not work tomorrow, so staying informed is crucial. This means dedicating time to research and staying updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes. Competition in the SEO industry is fierce. To stand out, you need to offer exceptional services and build a strong reputation. Standing out from the crowd requires offering exceptional services, building a strong reputation, and effectively marketing yourself. It's a challenging but rewarding journey for those who are passionate about SEO. Carving your niche, specialization, and standing out. In a crowded market, specialization is key to attracting clients. Focusing on a specific industry, niche, or service allows you to become an expert in that area. For example, you could specialize in e-commerce SEO, local SEO, or content marketing for a particular industry. This focused expertise makes you more attractive to businesses seeking specialized knowledge. Develop a unique selling proposition or USP that sets you apart from competitors. This could be a specific service, approach, or guarantee that differentiates your offerings. Highlight your USP in your marketing materials and client communication. Clearly articulate the value you bring and how you can help businesses achieve their specific goals. Staying ahead of the curve, continuous learning in SEO. The SEO landscape is constantly evolving. Search engines regularly update their algorithms, making continuous learning essential for staying relevant. Subscribe to industry blogs, newsletters, and podcasts to stay informed about the latest trends, updates, and best practices. Follow influential SEO experts and thought leaders on social media. Participate in online forums and communities to connect with other SEO professionals. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your knowledge to broaden your understanding. Attend industry conferences and webinars to learn from experts, network with peers, and discover new tools and technologies. Invest in your professional development through courses, certifications, and workshops. Practical tips for SEO consulting success. Delivering exceptional client service is paramount. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, and be proactive in addressing client concerns. Building strong client relationships fosters trust and leads to referrals. Track your progress and measure your results. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, rankings, and conversions. Regularly report your findings to clients, demonstrating the value you provide. Focus on providing actionable insights and recommendations. Don't just present data, explain what it means, why it matters, and how it can be used to improve website performance. Be patient and persistent. SEO is a long-term strategy, and results take time. Educate your clients on realistic expectations and celebrate milestones along the way. Measuring success and demonstrating value to clients. Demonstrating the value of your services is crucial for client retention and business growth. Use analytics tools to track key metrics that align with your clients' goals. For example, track website traffic, keyword rankings, leads generated, and conversions. Present this data clearly and concisely in reports, highlighting the positive impact of your SEO efforts. Showcase case studies of successful client projects. Highlight the challenges faced, the strategies implemented, and the results achieved. Testimonials from satisfied clients also provide powerful social proof. Communicate your value proposition consistently. Reinforce the benefits of SEO and how your expertise helps businesses achieve their online marketing objectives. The future of SEO consulting, embracing innovation. The future of SEO consulting is bright, but it requires embracing innovation and adapting to emerging technologies. Voice search, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are transforming the way people search for information online. SEO consultants need to stay ahead of the curve by understanding these technologies and their implications for search. Experiment with new tools and strategies to leverage these advancements for better SEO results. Focus on providing personalized and user-centric experiences. Optimize websites for voice search, mobile-first indexing, and featured snippets to cater to changing user behaviors. Embrace data analysis and automation to streamline processes and improve efficiency. Utilize SEO tools for keyword research, competitor analysis, and website audits to make data-driven decisions.